Ready to wake up to clients knocking at your door, without cold calling, lead scraping, or endless sales chasing? Let me introduce you to Aigency Valet, the world's first AI automation engine that finds hot leads and closes high-ticket clients for you, anywhere, in any niche. Picture this. While you're catching some Z's, Aigency Valet is out there hunting down your next big deal. No more gatekeepers, no more just following up emails. It's a full-blown sales system working for you 24/7. Here's how it works. First, Aigency Valet finds targeted leads in any market. You just enter the niche and location. Instantly, you get a list of hungry businesses that actually need your help. But this isn't just another lead scraper. Aigency Valet digs deep. It studies your prospect's business, learns what they sell, and pinpoints their pain points, completely hands-off. It doesn't just find businesses, it finds the right person to talk to, the actual decision maker with their direct email and real contact details. No more wasted time on dead ends or generic inboxes. Next, Aigency Valet gets tactical. It identifies what's broken in your prospect's marketing or online presence, the exact spot where you can swoop in with your solution. And then, the real magic happens. It writes a hyper-personalized, persuasive pitch email that sounds like you spent hours researching and crafting it. But you didn't, the AI did. No cringe-worthy cold outreach, no salesy scripts, just emails that get real responses from real clients who actually want to talk to you. Then the cherry on top, it closes clients for you, like clockwork. Whether you're an agency owner, a freelancer, or you're starting your side hustle, this is your autopilot ticket to high-ticket clients. No chasing, no selling, just results. If that wasn't enough, right now you get two huge bonuses. First, free access to the unclaimed Google My Business Listings feature, normally a $197 value. Second, a fill-in-the-blanks sales template that's proven to get over 80% response rates from local businesses. Here's the setup. Just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your niche and location. Step 2. The AI trains itself on your leads. No manual work. Step 3. It pinpoints what's broken and how you can fix it. Step 4. Aigency Valet writes and sends the perfect outreach email. All of this, done for you in minutes. So, if you're tired of chasing leads and ready to close clients while you sleep, tap the link below and see how easy Aigency Valet can stack your agency with clients on autopilot. Your next high-ticket client could be just one click away.